The message of Christmas is Christ Himself, and in the way He expresses Himself, the way He reveals Himself, the way He unfolds Himself. Maybe He reveals Himself in terms of, as already said, love, joy, hope, and peace. And I feel these are angelic or holy fragrance, angelic and holy ornaments, angelic and holy decorations, and angelic and holy flavor. And these all together create an atmosphere, a divine ambience, and in that ambience, God dwells, God resides, Christ is there, Christ is born there. That's Christmas. And we are supposed to create that ambience in our life, that divine ambience in our life, and also create that ambience for people around us, and also inspire others to create an ambience of that everywhere. A few days back, I was talking to one of my friends in Vietnam. We were talking, and in between, he asked me, "Father, what is your program today and tomorrow?" Then I said, "Tomorrow I'm invited to a place for a function, and that place name is Manovigas. There is a program there in Manovigas. Next day, celebrating Disability Day." And then we talked about this disability, the Center for Disabled or Differently Challenged People, center of this kind, like orphanage, home for elderly, destitutes, and all. We talked, and then I asked, do you have centers like this there? Then he said, "We don't have centers like this here, and also we don't see such type of people moving around in this area vicinity." Then I asked, "Do you not have such kind of people there in your place?" He said to me, "It's not that we don't have people like that here in this country. We have so many of them. But as per the rule of government, the duty of the leader, duty of the head of the family, that they need to protect everyone. Be it their elderly parents, be it people of this kind, differently abled, they have to, leader or head of the family, they have to take care of them. If they don't take care of them, and government come to know about this, they will come and arrest the head of the family and put them in jail. Or they will be charged fines, huge fines, or sometimes they will take their property, their landed property, their jewels and all. Therefore, because of the force of governmental rules, the head of the family and all else in the family take care of their people inside. But it was the force or compulsion of the law of land, the governmental laws. But later, it has become a culture for that country that everyone in the family take care of their inmates or members in the family. So they take care, they have concern for them, they love, they do service to each other, they appreciate each other, they give good clothing, food, medical facilities, everything is there, and there is an atmosphere of love. There is an ambience of love there in those families, and from there's a joy, and once we have this love and joy, there is always a hope. And when these three are there, there's a peace, there is an atmosphere of this in their life. I think this is the message of Christmas. Create an ambience, a divine ambience where there are love, there are joy, there are hope and peace. I think we also live in families, we live in communities, and we need to create this ambience in our communities and families as well. Taking care of each other, showing some concern to each other, do real service to each other, appreciate each other, put on a smile when we are with others, give a gentle pat on their back, give a soothing hug to each other, say good words to others, have a positive energy, positive thinking, and this all will create an ambience of love. These are little things, maybe the expressions of love that we need to show. And once we create that ambience of these little things and have that love, there will be joy. And this joy is to be celebrated. Joy celebrated every day should be our way of life. And once we have this love and joy, there is always room for hope. And these three are there, there is peace. And this is the message of Christmas. So let's, as we celebrate Christmas here, let's try to create an ambience of these all in our life, in the life of everyone else, and also inspire others to have this ambience of, divine ambience of love, joy, hope, and peace. Thank you.